Learn English to Gujarati business words, economy 2.
Nafo.
Welcome to Business Gujarati. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati business words without falling asleep on a spreadsheet. Yes, that is a promise and also a small miracle. Today you will learn 8 useful words. Economy is.
Arthatantra.
Company is.
Company.
Branch is.
Dali.
Market is.
Market.
Competition is.
Spardha.
Turnover is.
Turnover.
Costs is.
ખર્ચ થાય છે.
And profit is.
નફો.
If these words sound serious, do not worry. We will make them wear clown shoes. A very busy morning. Picture this scene and follow along. You are not just learning words, you are surviving a dramatic business morning. The
અર્થતંત્ર.
is growing, and your friend proudly opens a new
Company.
The office is next to a noisy
Market.
where tomatoes seem to have stronger opinions than economists. A tree outside has one long
ડાળી.
and a crow sits on it like the unofficial CEO. Soon, more shops open nearby, and now there is fierce
સ્પર્ધા.
Your friend checks the numbers and says, our
Turnover.
is rising, but everything.
ખર્ચ થાય છે.
So much. Then the accountant smiles and whispers the magic word.
નફો.
Word spotlight. Now let us slow things down and make each word stick in your memory. Say them out loud with me. The economy is.
અર્થતંત્ર.
Think of the whole system: money, jobs, trade, and growth. A company is.
Company.
Easy one. It almost sounds like company. Friendly word, serious suit. A branch is.
ડાળી.
Yes, in this set it means a tree branch, which is slightly hilarious in a business lesson. A market is.
Market.
Also wonderfully familiar. Competition is.
સ્પર્ધા.
Think of 2 shops trying to sell the last heroic mango. Turnover is.
Turnover.
Total sales activity, not profit. Important difference. Costs is.
ખર્ચ થાય છે.
Use it when something costs money. Profit is.
નફો.
The happy word, the word that buys snacks. Mini dialogue at the market. Let us make the words talk to each other. Honestly, they were going to do that anyway. A. How is the
અર્થતંત્ર.
this year? B. Better, I think. People are buying more. A. Where do you work? B. I work at a
Company.
near the
Market.
A. What is that bird doing? B. It is sitting on the
ડાળી.
and judging our business plan. A. Why are prices lower? B. Because of strong.
સ્પર્ધા.
A. How is the business doing? B. The
Turnover.
is good, but everything.
ખર્ચ થાય છે.
More now. A. So, do we have?
નફો.
B. Yes. Enough for tea, snacks, and maybe one dramatic celebration. Quick memory tricks. Here are some fast memory hooks. They are weird on purpose because boring things are harder to remember. Imagine a giant glowing city called.
અર્થતંત્ર.
That whole city is the economy. Picture a glass office tower labeled.
Company.
Inside, everyone is pretending meetings are exciting. See a squirrel running along a
ડાળી.
while wearing a necktie. Imagine a loud, colorful
Market.
where vegetables negotiate like lawyers. Picture 2 runners racing under the banner.
સ્પર્ધા.
That is competition. See a notebook with rising sales numbers and the word
Turnover.
flashing on it. Hold a price tag and hear your wallet cry.
ખર્ચ થાય છે.
Finally, imagine gold coins dancing and shouting.
નફો.
That is profit. Your turn. Now you do the work. Do not worry, it is the fun kind of work, not the kind with 17 email threads. What is the Gujarati word for economy?
અર્થતંત્ર.
What is the Gujarati word for company?
Company.
What is the Gujarati word for branch?
ડાળી.
What is the Gujarati word for market?
માર્કેટ,
What is the Gujarati word for competition?
સ્પર્ધા,
What is the Gujarati word for turnover?
ટર્નઓવર,
How do you say costs?
ખર્ચ થાય છે,
How do you say profit?
નફો,
Challenge round. Let us level up. I will give you English ideas, and you mentally grab the Gujarati word like a vocabulary ninja. The whole money and jobs system of a country.
અર્થતંત્ર,
A business organization.
કંપની,
A part of a tree where a bird can sit.
ડાળી,
A place where people buy and sell things.
માર્કેટ,
Rivalry between businesses or teams.
સ્પર્ધા,
Total sales volume in business.
ટર્નઓવર,
What something costs.
ખર્ચ થાય છે,
Money left after costs are paid.
નફો,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned business Gujarati and survived a suspiciously judgmental crow on a tree branch. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
અર્થતંત્ર, કંપની, ડાળી, માર્કેટ, સ્પર્ધા, ટર્નઓવર, ખર્ચ થાય છે,
And,
નફો.
out loud. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Thanks for listening and keep practicing your Gujarati.